Now this is the anatomical position of the uterus with its appendages. Appendages means this ovary, the uterine tube, this narrow uterine tube you will see, and this is the uterus or the womb. You know the uterus has got three parts. Now the parts above the ovarian ligament, this part is known as fundus. It is solid, there is no lumen. And the part below it, this is known as the body. If you can feel, you will see there is a cavity, very linear cavity in the nulliparous woman. Nulliparous means the woman who does not give birth to a child. That is known as the nulliparous woman. And below that, I can feel the cervix. Now you will see this part, the uterine tube, that is 10 centimeter in length. You see, this is the uterine tube, how long it is. This is the isthmus of the uterine tube. This is the intramural part. This is the isthmus. This is the ampulla, and this is the fimbriated end. Now these two uterine tube, they pick up the ovum in each cycle, and you will see that is transmitted into the fallopian tube. Next you will see the body of the and the cervix is situated here. In front of the cervix, this is the urinary bladder. So you see the peritoneum is reflected from the urinary to the upper part of the cervix and the anterior part of the body and fundus, and forming a pouch. This pouch is known as the that is the vesical pouch, uterovesical pouch. This is less deep, and posteriorly you see there is another pouch. This is more deep, and here you will see the peritoneum is not only covered the body but also the part of the cervix. So this is known as the supravaginal part of the cervix. This part is known as supravaginal part of the cervix. And this pouch, you see, this pouch is more deep. This is known as the rectouterine pouch or pouch of Douglas. So any infected material, it is collected into the pouch of Douglas, and one can do the operation through the vagina. So this is the ovary. You will see ovary is attached to the broad ligament. This is the broad ligament, this thin peritoneal fold, and by means of an fold which is known as the meso-ovarian. So you see, this is the broad ligament, this part is the mesosalpinx, and this part of the broad ligament is known as mesometrium. So this is about the uterus with its appendages, and I think all of you can get knowledge during the time of examination.